Hello everyone, this is the Watcher here to give us updates and summary of what have happened fundamentally in the forex markets. Now our focus today is on the Australian dollar because there is a lot of interesting shift in fundamentals coming from the Australian Central Bank. Now formally in October they were making statements saying that the CPI is possibly coming down, but when the report came out on the 25th, we saw a lot of positive outcomes on CPI. So this necessitated the market to forecast a further interest hike, which happened on the November 7th. So the market made the forecast that they will hike interest rates further by 25 basic points, and the bank also did that. Now, when it came, so this is a bullish report for the Australian dollar, but on the other hand, the Federal Bank of Reserve of United States did not hike on the November 1st, and the statement on Wednesday 8th of November did not comment much on monetary policy. So that was very, very dovish not to make any statement to support the dollar. But on Thursday now, we saw a surprising statement pushing up the dollar and making the market to expect further rate hike. So, and the reason for this statement or this forward guidance is to make sure that this S&P 500 and other market do not continue to rally up further, because that actually will beat up the inflation which they have been trying to control. So that statement is a cautionary measure for people to know the direction the bank will take. So now we have this, after that statement, we have the market expectation for another 25 basic point hike in December 31st, in December, I think 13 December at 90%. So 90% is saying there will be another rate hike, and about 10% or 9% is saying no rate hike. So that is where we are. Meanwhile, so So that is it. So we expect now to move forward from here. So let's go to the chart and see how we can apply these informations to what we can trade. Here we know fundamentally that the Australian dollar has been going down. Australian dollar has been going down. The trend is downwards against the dollar. Now, but the chart, we are seeing a possibility of a retracement back to this minor trend line, not the major trend line. This is the major trend line we've been following, but this minor trend line, this 1, 2, that. So if it retraces back here, then we shall have another chance to sell it off. And you can see this is the 0.618 Fibonacci, and also there's another block here. So I expect possibly they may push, the market makers may push it a little bit above the trend line so that they can grab enough stop loss to as liquidity them before going down. But so just know anything within this range is where I'm targeting it to rally up back before we now sell off, the sell off continue. Now in another pair like this one, it may get opportunity to shoot up to this target D, and this also may complete. We are in this trade, I think, since last week's. So we may complete the pattern we are targeting. So we may reach the target this week we are entering. So keep our fingers crossed. Meanwhile, this one we enter this trade, and along the line I exited, but there is still a chance it will follow suit and come down here. After that, then it will rally up to this place. So this is how we expect to play it within these coming weeks and months. So you watch out for it. So fundamentally, I will say that everything is working as expected in our trades, and we hope to get more good chances in coming by next year. So thank you and remain blessed. This is Me over and out.